In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an extension to the Firefox Toolbar in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you want faster access to your favorite tools, add-ons, or productivity extensions without having to dig through menus every time. Once you pin an extension to the toolbar, it stays easy to reach. With just one click, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a puzzle piece icon. This is the Extensions menu, and it's where Firefox keeps all of your installed add-ons. Go ahead and click that puzzle icon to open the list of your extensions. After the menu opens, find the extension you want to add to the toolbar. Next to that extension, you should see a small settings gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the options for that specific extension. From there, you'll see an option that says Pin to Toolbar. Click Pin to Toolbar, and Firefox will immediately move that extension into your toolbar for easy access. Once it's pinned, you'll notice the extension icon appear at the top of your browser, ready whenever you need it. That's really all there is to it. If you ever want to remove it from the toolbar later, you can use the same extension menu and unpin it just as easily. So now you know how to quickly add an extension to the Firefox toolbar and keep your browser workspace more organized and efficient. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.